how to share a video as a link using Google Drive. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload your video to Google Drive and create a shareable link. First, open your web browser, then click on the dice icon and go to Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account. Once you're in Google Drive, click the New button in the top left corner. Next, select File Upload. Locate the video you want to share, select it, and click Open. Wait for the upload to finish. Once it's complete, you'll see a check mark indicating the file has been uploaded successfully. Now, go to the Recent section, or locate the uploaded video in your drive. Right-click the video and select Share. In the sharing window, click Share Again if prompted. Under General Access, change the setting from Restricted to Anyone with the link. Then click Copy Link. You can now paste this link into an email, message, or social media app to share your video with others. Anyone with the link will be able to view the video, and depending on your sharing settings, they may also be able to download it. And that's it. You've successfully shared a video as a link using Google Drive. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Google Drive tips and tutorials.